Stampers, Jackie Ballhays from Klomp & Stampers, and I have 4 fun cards to share with you today. It's all about using designer series paper, or DSP like I like to call it, but I want to show you how you can quickly and easily make 4 different cards with just 4 little pieces of designer series paper. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. These are the 4 cards that I am going to show you how to make today. And you basically make them all at once, making it quick and easy. What do you think of this paper? This is the Garden Impressions brand new paper that's coming out in the new catalog. We'll flip it over, you can see both sides. It is so bright and fun. This one does come in a 6x6 pack, and you get 4 sheets of each one. Now remember, my paper share is going on right now, and you have until the 31st to purchase it. And with this one, rather than getting 4x6 inch pieces, you're gonna get 12, just like what I'm holding right here, different prints of 6x6 pieces, along with 12 card bases and all the different coordinating colors that you're going to find in the paper. Well, today I want to just show you how to quickly and easily make 4 cards all at one time using your designer series paper. Now you can do this with absolutely any paper. I just wanted to focus on this Garden Impressions so that I could show it to you today. So we're going to start out with 4 different pieces. So you can see I kind of picked out ones that had a little bit, bigger print on one side and smaller print on the other side, and they all kind of coordinate really nice, which really, if you use any papers from one particular package, it's going to work just fine. And then you're going to take each sheet one at a time, and you're going to cut it first at 1.5 inches. Remember, these sheets started out at 4 5/4. So we have a 1.5 inch piece, and then we're going to cut 2 inches off of it, like so. And then our other piece, we're going to cut 2 1/4 inches off of it, like so. So now, and it doesn't, that's not really matching up, but it doesn't matter. You can see what I'm talking about here. There, we kind of put it together. So we're going to do each one of the 4 pieces like that, and then we're going to lay them out just on top of each other. So we'll take this one, and once again, we're going to go 1.5, and then take our 1.5 piece and cut a 2 inch strip off of it. There, we have all of our pieces cut, and I just have them stacked up so it makes the right size. And then it's kind of like putting together a puzzle. So we're gonna take each one of this size and we're gonna lay it out. We're gonna do 1, let's make sure I have it in the view here for you. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we'll take the size that goes underneath that, and then I like to flip these over, and we're gonna just kind of match them up how they look good together. Let's see, you can go like that and like that. So, play around with them until you get them exactly how you like them. Ooh, I like that one with that one and that one, like so. Okay, then we'll take our long pieces. Let's see, we're gonna move these up for you. And same thing with these. Woo, we're gonna flip those, and we're going to put one of each print. Now you really can use either side, if one side looks better than the other. So you really have 8 choices, I guess, for each one. I think we'll do that. And then we'll take the last one. And I always just want to make sure that I have completely different prints for all 4 of the pieces that you're seeing. Let's see, I think I can put... Well, if we do that, then, oh, there we go. We can flip this one over. Okay, like I said, it's putting together a puzzle. And there. So now all 4 of them are completely different, but we have all the pieces. And then I'm going to just take a 5 1/4 by 4 inch piece of cardstock, and we'll go ahead and use our Tombow liquid adhesive, my adhesive of preference, and just get some on there. One of the reasons I really like this adhesive is when I put it on here, I can slide it around to make sure they fit on there good. So I'm going to just line this up along both edges. We'll take the next piece, and we're going to do the same thing. Okay, now remember, with this adhesive, you do not need a lot. Okay, don't let it goosh out on you. So we're going to line it up perfectly right there, and then it should line up along the sides and the bottom. We'll take piece number 3. And we'll stick that one up here. You want to make sure you want the smaller one over here instead of down there, because they're pretty close to the same size, because you want it to really look different. So we put together our little puzzle. So there's the first one, and I would do the exact same thing with all three of them. And now this is just ready to layer onto a card base and complete your card out of it. So let me show you the ones I did. I used the Night of Navy gingham ribbon, which worked perfect with these. This is one of the new colors. I think it's called Seafoam Green. I'm still trying to learn these. And the Hello came from Accented Blooms. This is a super fun set, and it's going to be my stamps in the mail next month, so watch for that. Here's the second one. Thinking of You came from Rooted in Nature, another new stamp set. Now, part of the reason I use these different stamp sets is I wanted you to realize that with the different designer series papers, they don't have to necessarily go with the stamp sets that they're shown with. You can use a whole variety of stamp sets with them. So the number 3, and here's this, I just love that ribbon. This is called Detail with Love, another new set. I love this big one. I showed this on the card yesterday, actually. And then the fourth one also is from Detail with Love, and then I use this new embossing folder on there. But there are the 4 cards made. This is the same paper packet. I just used different prints on this one than what I was showing you. But the whole idea is to really just take 4 pieces, cut them, mix and match them, glue them down, add a greeting and maybe a little bit of ribbon, and bam, quick and easy cards. So I hope you like this format. Remember, you can do this with any of your designer series papers. It doesn't have to be just the garden impressions. So what do you think? Was that easy enough for you? You know me, I love designer series paper, and I love making quick and easy cards. So this little format or pattern, whatever, is perfect for me, and it'll work with any paper. So if you have any questions, make sure to let me know. I'll be happy to help you. And don't forget my brand new improved paper share. You can order it through May 31st. I love the new format of this because you're going to get the coordinating cardstock to go with all those little pieces of designer series paper. So you're going to be able to try them all out without a very big investment. And then if there's some papers that you really, really love, you can go ahead and buy full packages of them later. So with that also, if you have any questions, let me know. Remember, you got till May 31st. And if you have not yet received a brand new 2018 Stampin' Up! Catalog, let me know that also. I would love to be your demonstrator if you don't already have one and send you a catalog and help you with all your stamping and Stampin' Up! Needs. So until tomorrow, when I have another video for you using designer series paper in a different quick and easy card, have a stamp happy day.